Lower body today, starting off with seated leg curl because studies show that this builds the most amount of muscle mass. Next up, we've got the prime leg extension. Loaded the top and middle pin here to help with the start and middle range more so. Slight adductor injury at the moment, so I've got to keep my presses really slow, really close and really under control. So went pretty light here and was just doing reps at 20. Big man Chaz is doing some hip thrusts and some calves to finish us up. Had a little pose up in the posing room, obviously. Lighting was a bit guff, but we move. Pretty lean, not too bad. See you in the next one.